What if I told you you could get rid of all your messy charging cords and replace it with just one cord? That's what I'm going to show you. Thanks to the brand for sending me this sample to try out so that I could make this shoppable video for you and show you how this works. First of all, it comes in a very neat little case with a zipper. See how easily it goes into the case and zips up? There. Going on a trip? Take it with you. That's all you'll need. We'll open it up and I will show you. This is a 6-foot long cord. Look how thick it is, and it does not tangle. See? It's great. And on each end there are connectors. You've got a USB on this end, and you pull it up and fold it down, and then you've got a USB-C. On the other end, you've got a lightning connection. Pull it up and push it down, and you've got another USB-C. So in combination, you can charge 4 different devices at the same time. And this is fast charging. In a study that was done by the manufacturer, it charged an iPhone 16 to 96% in just 35 minutes. That's pretty good. So when you need power in a hurry, you've got it right here. And when it's charging, it lights up so that you can find it in the dark. These light up. Also, when your battery gets full, it shuts off automatically, so you don't have to worry about overcharging because it's going to shut itself off. It's neat and travel ready, and it is great. I love it. You need to get one of these. It'll change your charging forever.